Hey everybody, this is my trip to China. I went there over the summer and I literally had the best time ever. Mia was falling asleep on me and it was so funny. This is me doing my makeup, getting ready to go out, and we had such a yummy breakfast. I was trying to eat real good that day because I knew I had a long day ahead of me because we were going to get my hair done. I was going to get a perm and get my hair dyed and bleach it and get highlights. So yeah, that was going to take forever. Mia got her hair styled and low-key my hair looked kind of wonky, but it was funny. It's okay. They fixed it. Mia and Addison were recording me the whole time, and there were a couple other people in the salon, but I was sitting there for maybe 6 or 7 hours. They washed my hair maybe 3 times the entire day, and this is Addison. She looks so funny right there. Her chin, her double chin is so hilarious, and I was just there kind of awkward, but it felt pretty good. And then they blow dried it for me. I'm super glad Mia was able to sit with me because I would have been so insanely bored. Doesn't her hair look so good? I miss her bangs already. And then you know what they did next? They gave me the ajuma cut. Not even the ajuma perm, bro. I don't know how to say it, but like, you know those Korean aunties, whenever they reach their late middle ages and then they start getting those really super curly perms? Yeah, that's what they got me here. And then my aunt got me some yummy food from out there, and Mia really liked it. I don't know where she got it from, but it's like authentic Hunan cuisine, you know, since we were in China. And Mia really liked the meat and the rice, so I was just feeding her, even though she already had a meal today. But, you know, she's a foodie, just like me. It was really good. I miss it. Num num num. Num 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 num. Num 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 num. I told her to try the meat and then she ate it and it was super duper spicy. Just look at her. She's so funny. I'm pretty sure what they were doing here was they just lathered my hair with a bunch of chemicals and then he was checking to see if it was hot enough. So then the perm would stay, I guess. But look how much hair they cut off. Oh my gosh, I did not know I had that much hair on my scalp. They took out the first curl and tell me why it looks like that. It looks like the whole Grand Canyon is on the top of my head. The curl is so bouncy, bro. I was so confused. I was really skeptical. You can see my mood changing, my face, bro. And then finally, they washed it. And I was confused because I was like, in Legally Blonde, they taught me that you're not supposed to wash your hair after a perm. And then so I asked the guy, and then he was like, it's okay. That's what makes it look wavy. So I trusted the process as much as I could. I was kind of worried still. It was taking quite a bit, and Mia was getting kind of impatient, kind of upset because I was making her wait so long. So sorry, Mia, if you're saying this. But yeah, it turned out really good.
But anything looks good with this hair, guys.
When I got home, that's when the excitement kicked in and I was trying out different hairstyles. And I was like, dang, my hair has never had this much volume.
It looks good. I'm happy with it.
Then I had the best freaking feast of my life. My grandma and grandpa are such good chefs. The very next day, we went to this Asian grocery store, which is super close to the kind of small town, village, province, whatever you want to call it, that my grandparents were living in. But even though I don't know, this town was kind of small, but still the grocery stores were so nice. They had all of these bulk shopping places where you would fill up a huge bag of snacks with whatever you wanted. There was such a huge variety. And then my jaw instantly dropped when I saw the chips aisle. Tell me why there was every single flavor of Lay's I've ever laid my eyes on. And there were all these types of Chinese flavors like pizza flavored Lay's, tomato flavored Lay's, anything you can think of. And when we got to the candy place, oh my God, my mouth was watering. There was every single flavor of fruit roll-ups there were. And then we saw the viral huge can of mini Tic Tacs, but just Chinese version. And then there were all these candies for so cheap. I'm telling you, that huge bin of Tic Tacs was $2 US. Are you kidding me? And I kid you not, that huge grocery store, they had an upstairs place full of clothes, stationery, squishies. There was an entire capybara section, and then I found these Taba squishies for super cheap, and they were so fun. I was really tempted to buy one. Oh my gosh, but some of them were open, but still, look how cute they are. I swear, they don't have this type of stuff in America. Then we hauled home a bunch of bags of groceries, and I went home. The first thing I did was try my brand new mochi. China has such good mochi. Oh my God. Oh my God, it was so good. I tried the strawberry one first. It was big, it was nice. There were little coconut or sugar flakes on the outside. I took my very first bite and the inside was nice and creamy and strawberry flavored. Oh my gosh, I ate the whole thing in one sitting. There was a strawberry juice coming out, kind of like a gusher, but it was so good. I actually spent quite a few years of my childhood in this village town thingy, and my grandpa took us walking around. It was so beautiful. The scenery was just amazing. And here's a tour of my room.
This is my room. It's pretty nice. It's a mess right now, but like
Just imagine it without the mess. I really like the ceilings. It's really cute when you turn on the lights. See, look how cute. And those turn on too, which I think is absolutely adorable. And then I have sliding doors for my closet and a cute little desk set up. It's very cutesy, it's just really messy, especially because I have to sleep with 3 other kids at night.
Yeah, you heard that right. 3 kids, 1 teenager, and 1 queen size bed because I have to sleep with my cousin and my 2 little sisters. But yeah, here's a view from the first floor all the way to the top. Actually, I don't know if it's the first floor, but look how many floors my grandparents' house has. Dang! Anyways, I'm just gonna insert a random time lapse of me making a craft in China from maybe a week later because I'm too lazy to edit the rest of my clips, but there's so much left to do. I did so much traveling, so much eating, so much fun stuff, so much shopping, so many hauls, and then I got a photo shoot done, but I vlogged that all, so keep an eye out for more videos. Like and subscribe!